Hello, so this is just going to be a quick kind of devlog because the main reason I'm doing this anyway is just I developed a little bit of the systems, but I'm going to backtrack a bit, and yeah, I wanted to show this off before I did it because I'm going to be rewriting a good bit of code. This is going to be a little short one. So firstly, what I did was I finished off a method to transition between free mode and turn-based mode. And so if I press this, as you can see now, this is the free camera. It still needs a bit of work tweaking to be quite smooth, but and a bit more responsive, but it works for now, which I'm happy with. And then poof, nice transition back. So you enter an area, combat triggers, you are now in free mode, and then you can move on your turn with your action points, etc. Yeah, so that was a simple thing. So to accomplish this, what I did was quite sneaky. So I'm actually using 3 actors here. So this is the main one. This is the main player character. When it transitions here, this is an AI character that moves. So the main character is invisible. It's just here somewhere. And then the third actor is a camera actor. So this is just a flying actor right now with a camera attached, and then the transition moves. So between transitions, like when I go from this to this, when I go from this to turn-based mode, it spawns the AI actor, hides the camera, and then hides the main player. And then it's quite seamless. I don't think you can tell. It looks 99.9% identical. There's a little bit of something with the clothing, but it most likely won't be able to tell. And to go back, again, it's literally just the reverse. It spawns the player character, sets its location to be the exact same location as the AI, and then transitions the camera back to it. So I am really happy with this. It's quite smooth. So what I mainly wanted to show was 2 things, which is part of the same system. Hidden game. So of course, I needed a way for these board pieces to talk to each other, because, like, let's say someone's on this piece, they want to attack these 2 spaces. I need these 2 spaces to be able to communicate from the player here, or the enemy here. So the first thought that went through my mind was doing traces. I know that's not the most effective method in the world, but for some reason I didn't second guess it when I did it. So I am going to replace this, but let me show you. So inside there is, do you know what's easy to show you? Inside there is cubes, and these cubes just acted as the base thing for the trace to take place. So as you can see just below, this is a trace that took place up, down, left, and right. So I'm quite I learned this very recently. So I learned how to do bit flags, which is quite awesome. So acts as an enum, but you can select multiple ones essentially. It essentially works as 8 different bools, just it's so much cleaner, which I love. So this system works. So like if I wanted to do one up and right, I can show you. There you go, it does it up and right, and it hits those two pieces. If I wanted to do like just the diagonals, it does just the diagonals. And if I wanted to like increase the sizes, there you go, there's a nice diagonal line between each space. So obviously this system probably isn't, it would only happen at specific points during combat, so it wouldn't be like the worst for performance, but it hit me after I developed this that this is not going to be a good system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this tray system out for just a simple grid system, which is what I should have done in the first place, and for some reason it did just not cross my mind to do that. So for example, like this is like a scaled down combat. This would be like, this could be like XY1, like XY, so it'd be this would be X2Y1, X3Y1, X3Y2, etc. And then like from then on out, like you said, this is the combat thing. Like Y, I want to get these ones to be like Y, X equals the same, Y plus 2. So I get these, so or something like that. I haven't exactly started designing it yet, so it'll take a chunk. So that's what I'm going to replace it with. I just wanted to show off this like tray system before I overwritten it, because I am quite proud of it. Oh, what happened there? Oh, go back. Why are you? What happened? Why are you there? Ah, never mind. See, I just wanted to show off this tray system because it does work. I am quite proud of it. It is very smooth, but it's just not the best method it could be. Just quickly though, with the bit flags. So this is the bit flags enums. I learned how to do this, which is so cool. Like this is a normal enum, and then this is the bit flag enum, which I think is really cool. So then I would make the function with the parameter taking in the bit flags as the directions, an int, and then, pardon me, so then I would use this binding function to bind, to act as a, I have a struct which is pretty much a direction, so up, down, left, right, diagonals, and then an action. So what this does is, if up is selected, it binds a function to add the up vector to the array, and then the array would essentially just do the trace, and that is it. So depending on which ones of these I selected, it would just add this one, add this one, add this one, and then just only do those. So like I said, this was a method. It was a good method, but of course there is better methods. So yeah, I'm going to be replacing this in the future. So that is everything for this little one. So thank you.